Alright, it's 6 a.m. It's way too early. It's Saturday. We're at Winsville at a bunny race. A bunny race. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
It's a 5K bunny race. They gave us a goodie packet with like toothpaste and toothbrush. That's cool. And then actually I really like the shirts. They're yellow and purple with a little bunny on it. There's not that many people here. Say hi to Narissa. She's the only reason I'm doing this. It's her fault. Totally her fault. Anyway, it's been nice all week, and today is 40. It's kind of cold. So anyway, I'm too tired to talk. I'll check back later.
Talk too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's funny. It's.
Last night, Logan was just barking at Mike for no reason.
Oh.
My brother.
Smallest race the smallest race we've been to ever. Look at that dog. I want that dog. Oh, yeah, good dog. I want to run behind him.
They're funny, aren't they?
This is the race. It's starting. Alright, we're done at the race. Look at this. My husband got a medal. He actually placed first in his age group. I won't say what his age group is. But he got first. So it was fun for not running for like how many? We haven't run for like what, 6 months?
At least.
We didn't do too bad.
I think you guys did
We did the
awesome.
run walk method. We didn't do too bad for not exercising. And oh wait, where's the chocolate? Do you have your chocolate bunny handy?
Yes.
So look, we all got a chocolate bunny when we crossed the finish line, and the route was really nice. It was a scenic route around a lake. So just there probably was like 200 people. I don't know what everyone's doing. I know there's like 3 or 4 other races this weekend in St. Louis. That's the thing with St. Louis. There's so many races. You have to pick and choose what race you do. And I guess this wasn't the popular one, but I liked it. It was a lot of fun. And we got another goodie bag. So 2 goodie bags, chocolate bunnies, and my husband got a medal. So, all right, now we're off to the next activity for the day, which is estate sales. Alright, we're on the way to the wedding. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you. This is like maybe the only time you ever seen my hair down. Since we are going somewhere fancy, I do take the time to dress up and actually do my hair. So, yep, wearing my hair down. And yeah, so today was busy. We did the race. We went to an estate sale, and then we did a whole bunch of shopping. Went out to lunch with my family visiting. They're hanging out at the house while me and Robert go to the wedding. We're going to the reception. We did not go to the ceremony since I do have family in town. So we're just gonna go to the reception, say hi to everyone, maybe stay for dinner, maybe not. We're just gonna see how it goes. And then we will go back home and hang out with my family that's visiting again. So anyway, yeah, I'm so tired. I have not had my Saturday afternoon nap, so I am so tired. I am pretty sure I'm gonna go to bed pretty early tonight. So, yep, see how long this hair is? Long, long hair. Alright, we're doing a brunch buffet. I don't know what I'm having. Mommy has this one. What? It is a private buffet. There's no one here yet. Look at that. You're not in it, don't worry. That's how we're starting. This is a brunch. Just some lasagna, eggs, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. French toast, Bloody Mary. This is in like a wine area.
I've been drinking French toast for.
Alright, we are on our way to Holly's house for Haley's birthday party. I got her cake done. I spent all afternoon on it. Oh my god. Can you see it down there? There's the cake. Question is, can I get it to her house in one piece? It's too tall for my normal cake carrier. So I have it in a Rubbermaid container, and I hope it works out. And I'll do a better video when I get to Holly's to show you the full extent of the cake. I'm just talking about when you bake a cake and you try to get it to the correct place. I don't know how wedding companies do it.
You try to bake it as fast as you can.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. How does the rest of that go, honey?
I'm not going through it.
You're not going through it?
It's very cold outside.
It's cold. Oh my God, it snowed this morning. It snowed.
I'll tell you what I'm tired of is when you go to a gas pump and it asks you 50 questions before you can pump gas. I
Oh,
like
that's
it where you can just put your card in and start pumping gas.
That's very true.
This one asked me if I had a special card.
Do you want a car
Do you
wash?
want a car wash? Do you
What's
want
your
a,
zip code?
would you like a receipt?
What's your zip code?
Would you like a discounted beverage inside? No, I don't want any of those things. Thank you. All right, go on, I'm sorry.
Robert's doing taxes. That's why he's a bit crabby. Taxes are due tomorrow.
I also had to spend time with my family yesterday.
I'm not really going to talk about the wedding last night. I will. It was a nice dinner. But as with family, there's always an idiot that ruins it for everyone. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So
And alcohol is the devil.
alcohol is the devil. I thought it was foosball.
It is foosball.
Foosball's the devil. And alcohol. So yeah, it was a great reception until the very end. And alcohol does have a habit of ruining a lot of things. But that's a rant I'm not going to go into. Today's a new day. Got the cake done. Robert's about ready to jump off a cliff after doing taxes. We owe every year. When people talk about a refund, we're like, what's that like? A refund? What's the tax refund?
No.
I have no idea what that's like. I haven't had a tax refund since I was in college. So, not a bad thing. It just means we work a lot. Way too much, apparently. So, yes, he's finishing that up. We'll take it to the post office tomorrow. I know it's last minute, but if you talk to anyone who actually owes, they all wait to the last minute. We all wait to the last minute. What's a hurry to give more money to the IRS?
Right.
They'll get it tomorrow on the deadline. But yeah, Robert's pumping gas. We're just sitting here. Then we're off to Holly's and eat this beautiful pink cake. And I think she's ordering pizza. I'm so hungry. I hope she's ordering pizza. I don't know what she's doing for Haley's birthday dinner, but hopefully it's pizza.
Cut in here.
This is the cake. Can I get it to the party in one piece without all that stuff falling over? Roberts, what is your guess?
Well, I could pretty much give you a big fat no if I turn the corner off.
No.
No, I think it'll be fine.
Stomping on your brakes, Robert.
Just make sure, just make sure if we stop fast that you got that.
I'm holding on to it. It's on my lap. I'm holding on to
I'll
it.
stop short.
I don't know how all those cake shows do it. I couldn't do this. Next year I'll just go to Holly's and bake the cake at her house. She can deal with me all day long. Good morning. I just realized I didn't do an ending for my weekend vlog, so this is just a quick summary. The weekend was great, extremely busy. As you saw, the cake made it to Holly's house no problem, and my husband just walked down the stairs and he's like, "What are you doing? Just ignore the lady petting the cat, talking into the camera." Yeah, I'm petting Sunny. Can you see that, Sunny? No, you can't. And then there's Ollie. Oh my God, I cannot figure out how to focus this camera. Jeez Louise. Forget it. There he is. There's Ollie. So what was I saying? Cake made it to Holly's. Had a great time. As we're leaving, I asked Abby, I said, what cake would you like for your birthday next month? And she has requested a Fortnite treasure chest cake. If you watched my videos, you know last year I made her a Loot Llama cake, and that kind of is one of the things that started my whole cake making craze. I'm learning about making cakes. I'm enjoying making cakes. Anyone who has a birthday I know, they get a freaking cake. So Abby wants a treasure chest cake, and I don't know. The Loot Llama was extremely difficult. I am sure this treasure chest is going to be 20 times difficult. No big deal. I'll just watch a bunch of this cat. Oh, you can't see it, but this cat's hilarious. Anyway, I'm just going to have to watch a bunch of YouTube videos in the next month or so and learn how to make oh, I love you too. Learn how to make a cake. I got it in this video. My cat wants some petting, and she usually ignores me, so I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity while I can. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I wish you could see this. She's so adorable. I will see you later.